Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we're going to show you how to combine videos on Android. Users have saved on their phones using a simple and free method. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your Android device. This app is usually pre-installed and lets you manage and edit your photos and videos. Step 2. Tap the plus icon at the top right corner of your screen. This icon allows you to create new albums, animations, and highlight videos. Step 3. From the list of options, tap on Highlight Video. This feature helps you combine and edit multiple clips quickly. Step 4. Now tap on Select Photos at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll choose the videos you want to merge. Step 5. Select the videos you'd like to combine. You can choose up to 50 different video clips or photos in total. Step 6. Tap on Create once you've made your selection. This will take you to the editing screen to begin the merging process. Step 7. Tap on each video to trim and select only the part of the video you want to keep. This is helpful if you only need a specific moment from each clip. Step 8. After trimming your clips, tap Save to start processing your merged video. This may take a few seconds depending on the video size. Step 9. When processing is done, tap OK on the screen. This confirms the save was successful. Wait for the pop-up message that tells you your combined video is ready. You can now view and share your final edited video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful Android tips.